Follow the steps on how to make a simple random pattern like this in Illustrator. Let's start by creating a new document. First, create a vertical line. You can follow this size. Adjust the thickness of the stroke. Go to Object and Expand Appearance. And expand. Duplicate the object. And press Ctrl D to repeat. Select one. Open Fill and Library. Here I will choose Celebration Swatches. Start coloring. Select and duplicate down. Ctrl D to continue the duplicate. Select some and use Flip to change the color position. Next, select all, Object, Transform and transform each. Set the move and rotate angle. And make sure random is checked. Select some and press Ctrl D to repeat transform each. Select all, Object, Pattern and make. Change to brick by row. Tidy up the position of the object. Click Done. This can be deleted. Now create a rectangle. And fill it with your pattern. Select, right-click and go to Transform and select Scale. Uncheck Transform Object and set Scale here. Finished and good luck. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.